Okay, so basically, sometimes you're going to need to find something random that you need to use in your code, and there's two ways to do something random. Both of these will generate random number values. This is the first one. First you import using this statement, and then you declare your variables however you want. And then this line right here explains how you create this random object by using the new keyword and new random. It won't compile unless you have this. After you create your random, you use the name of it, .nextInt, and that will give you a random number. And then I'm just going to print it. So it prints this really big number. I have no idea what the range is. It's not very useful, but there's a number. Here I divided it by 10 million, so that's actually a useful number, and then I printed it again. 204 is a lot better. And then here's the other way, which is a lot better because it actually does something. This way uses this math.random, which is very useful because it picks a number between 0 and 0.99999, and it makes a double. So here's my double that I'm setting it to, and I just set this double to math.random, and then that produces, I'm going to compile this first number right here, which is pretty long, but it's there. And then to make it more useful, I multiplied by 100 and then printed it, and that's the second number, 75 point, on and on and on and on. And then something else you can do is cast as int and then print it again by doing this, and that printed just 75. That's actually a good number, so there we go. And then something else that you can do, it doesn't have to be with just numbers. You can make a letter out of it by using the Unicode value. So for this, if it's from 1 to 100, divide by 4, giving you about 25 different possibilities, even though there's 26 letters. And then add 65 because that's the Unicode value of A. And then you can print that. So, like for example, this one is S. And then right here, I don't know what that does. Oh yeah, that's just making a new line, but here is some code that I made that shows how you can use random letters, which is actually pretty useful. So I'll go down, uncomment this. There we go. Now I can compile a bunch of random letters. So as you can see, it's got a bunch of random letters in a random pattern that do not spell out anything. It just happens to be random, as you can tell. And that is how you use the random math.random. And then, oh, well, I guess I just deleted my file, but I didn't really need that because that's the bad way. This is the good way. That's how you do it. And I'm done.